Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start with the essentials. Unlock your iPhone XR and open Settings now. Once there, tap Accessibility so you can reach voice features. This is where Apple groups assistive speech controls. Next, scroll to the physical and motor section and find voice control. You're doing this to remove always-on command listening. Voice control runs independently of Siri. Make sure you have your passcode or Face ID handy. If Settings asks for authentication, before changing, tap Voice Control to open detailed settings, and you'll see a switch that turns the feature on or off. Flip that toggle to off. This immediately stops the iPhone XR from constantly listening for commands. Once done, the system may prompt you to confirm disabling phrase recognition or to keep audio data. Choose to disable. Make sure to wait a second after toggling so the iPhone completes the change. If you want to keep Siri, note this action only affects voice control, not Siri. After turning voice control off, return to the home screen and test by saying a common command like Open Camera. It should not respond. If the phone still reacts, restart your iPhone XR to ensure settings fully apply. A reboot clears lingering listeners. If voice activation persists, open Settings Siri and search to confirm Hey Siri or listen for Hey Siri are disabled. One key troubleshooting tip: update iOS if problems continue, since bugs can cause settings not to stick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.